Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building your own website on Wix and want to know how to add high-quality images with ease, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert eye-catching visuals onto your Wix site, even if you don't have your own photos ready to go. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through it. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at your Wix website design. This is basically your online canvas where all the magic happens. Take a moment to double-check you're in the editing mode, not just viewing your published site. If you're on the right screen, you'll see all those helpful design tools and menus around your page layout. Okay, next we're going to add a new element. On the left-hand side of your design workspace, you'll see a little plus sign or the option that says Add Elements. Click on that. This opens up a whole menu of different things you can place onto your website, like text, buttons, and of course, images. It's kind of like picking out the perfect decor for your living room. You get to choose what goes where and make it your own. Now within that menu, find and click on Image. This is your gateway to bringing visuals on board. When you do this, Wix will offer you a few different ways to add an image. You could upload photos straight from your own computer, import them from other platforms. Or if you don't have the right image handy, check out Wix's impressive library of free photos and illustrations. For today's example, we'll keep things simple and use Wix's free images, so go ahead and select Free from Wix. At first glance, you'll see a handful of featured photos, but don't stop there. Click on Show More. This unlocks the full gallery, thousands of professional-grade photos and graphics, all ready to be used on your site without any copyright headaches. This is a fantastic resource for anyone building a site for their business, blog, portfolio, or anything in between. Now let's find the perfect image together. Head to the search bar and type in vegetables sales. You could search for anything that matches your site's theme, but let's imagine you're building a page for a local farmer's market or a healthy food store. Typing vegetables sales helps filter the images, showing you photos that really suit your needs. It's a little detail, but using the right keywords can make a big difference and save you lots of scrolling time. Once you spot an image you like, go ahead and click to select it. You can take a closer look to make sure it's just right, and don't worry if you change your mind later, swapping images is quick and easy with Wix's interface. When you're happy with your choice, simply click on Add to Page. Within a second or two, the image will appear right on your web design. You can drag it around, resize it, or adjust the layout until it fits your vision perfectly. Don't stress if it's not exactly where you want it at first. Wix makes it really flexible to move and edit anything on the page. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've managed to add a polished, attention-grabbing image to your Wix website. It's these kinds of visuals that turn a basic page into something engaging and memorable for your visitors. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you have any questions or want to share your newly updated website, drop a comment below. I love seeing what you're working on. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more simple and practical web design tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.